legkisebb lemur, ez a következő. A második legkisebb a szárban, meg tartották itt a hotelbe. Elérték, kivették az Itáliáját, megcsonkították, szóval kiherélték már a köcsökkének. Minden sérültek. Azért vannak itt ilyen. Mindegyiknek elmondhatom.
Maeneo kuna harusi. Maeneo kuna harusi naona. Alle dumendolitia labda kitia. Dumendolitia kule.
Sama tak kan? Jauh deh. Pertama tuh. Terbang. Chyba tak, to nie jest fajne.
Okay, so please listen to me. I'm going to give you excessive breathing before cooking.
Oh, it's okay.
You help us again with photos?
Kobieta podejrzane wszystkie lubią, nie? Dobra. On bije shoulder to shoulder. On bije to shoulder to shoulder. You won't be able to take down for today. Okay? You can go. Shoulder to shoulder, okay? Shoulder to shoulder. Было.
Со всех сторон. Тут такая толпа, мы можем так? Максимум дай бананка. Вы хотите меня?
Она такая наглая, маму мягко кормили вот этого, они у него прям не забирают. И на тебе сидит.
Давай, Винчен, давай.
Húzza a kezét. Ja. Szeretnél menni valahova? Még van, enni valami. Igen. Köszönöm szépen. Hoppá, meg itt vagyunk, oda még. Huduma inahitajika wapi?
I don't know. Oh yeah, what is this?
So,
There's any in there.
Tick?
yes.
Can I see her?
We can fit some curve, but
Okay.
Блин, они имеют это.
So ringtail lemur are already endangered species with only 2,500 left in the wild. They are indigenous to Madagascar and they are going extinct because of deforestation and loss of habitat.
Is it?
Yeah,
It's
Here in
okay.
Africa, Southeast
okay.
Asia, and South
You're not
America,
touching this.
130,000
Yeah, no.
square kilometers of the forest get destroyed.
But if you want to feed, it's fine. You can feed, you can stand close. It's fine. Only don't
For
touch.
example,
You can take more some
in
fruit here.
tropical areas, there's palm oil plantation activities going on for various things. Food, cosmetics, biodiesel.
You can take him close if
And
you
in
want.
Madagascar,
It's
only
fine.
10% of the habitat is left. And there's another big problem of mining because sapphire has been found in the area where they live.
Can help you from there?
No, it's okay. Fine.
It doesn't make sense if we bring more into lemur and then we are releasing them back into Madagascar.
feed like
It will not
this.
help these species to recover. And it will not help because the forest does not be growing back because we are breeding more of them. And the remaining forest will be overpopulated. Therefore, they start fighting more and more, and we lose more of them. Also, it is not a good idea to release them in the area where they not belong to because this will have very bad impact on the Lemur are very strong primates. They are very strong. They will take over all of the forest and the indigenous primates will lose their habitat from them. So they are very strong primates. Lemur are social primates and you can see that they are social when you're comparing them with the bush rabbits. I showed you before bush rabbits had only one shackle on their toes because they're own, they're solitary. So lemur, if you look on their fingers and their toes as well, they fight shackles.
Я пойду дерево